Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will discuss the best 3D printers for beginners. 3D printing is a fun and rewarding experience. This 3D printer is primarily used for users who want to create intricate and detailed models. But ensuring you get the right printer for your needs is essential. To help you out, we have researched and compiled a list of the best 3D printers for beginners that are available today. The best 3D printer is used in any condition, even for education and professional applications. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these given links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1 is Anycubic Kobra Go 3D printer. The Anycubic Kobra Go 3D printer is a professional-grade device that caters to beginners who want to explore the fascinating world of 3D printing. With its separated bowden extruder design, the printer delivers faster printing speeds of up to 60 mm per second and a maximum of 100 mm per second, providing an efficient workflow and shorter turnaround times. Its increased print size of 8.66 x 8.66 x 9.84 and /250 by 220 by 220 mm offers a broader scope for creativity and experimentation. The printer's design is incredibly user-friendly, featuring step-by-step assembly tutorials, detailed video guidance, and a comprehensive user manual, making it easy to set up and operate. The newly designed LCD knob control allows for simple operation. The smart sensors, including power-off resuming and filament runout detection, needs to be purchased separately, minimize the risk of printing failures and wastage of resources. Anycubic Kobra Go comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, ensuring beginners can receive assistance and support whenever needed. With fast printing speeds and advanced features, the Anycubic Kobra Go 3D printer is the perfect choice for beginners looking to embark on their 3D printing journey confidently and quickly. If you want to buy the 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it.